Hello, Amazing All-Stars. It's Mrs. Graham. It's time for a number corner activity for Thursday, October 21st. What will we see with our number corner today? Wow, if you remember, we had apples, leaves, acorns, chestnuts, pumpkins, and zucchini. And then we started back over with the apples because now we see leaves. What do you think will be on today's cards, friend? Let's find out together. Look at that! More leaves! Well, wait a minute. We have 2, 4, 6, 8 leaves that are not in the basket and 1 leaf that is in the basket. Sounds like something we can add to our observation grid. So if we look through all of our activities, for this day, we have 9 leaves, but 1 was in the basket and 8 were not in the basket. We can write that down. We had 8 leaves. Well, let's do it this way. We had 1 leaf in the basket and 8 leaves out of the basket. How many leaves do we have in all? So we said we had 1 leaf that was out of the basket and 8 leaves that were in the basket. Using our number tree, 8 plus 1, 1 plus 8 equals 9. We have our number tree, we have our math story, and we have our math equation. Great job, All-Stars. Let's move on to our next activity, where we're going to add another day to our information. Oh my goodness. We're adding another day. And guess what? When we add this new day, we are making a group of 5. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 days in school together. Incredible. 35 days in school together. So we want to change this to the number 35. That doesn't look like a 5, so we'll try that again. 35. And I'll write a new math equation for it. Our new math equation is going to be 30 plus 5 to match what we just saw on our chart. And then we'll change that we now have 3 groups of 10 and 5 ones. Great job. Thank you, All-Stars. Think about what math facts you can make that would equal 35. You can pause the video now and write down at least 2 ways to make the number 35, and then hurry back to the video. All right, All-Stars, we are back. Let's add another item to our collection. Let's see. Why don't we add some triangles? Let's see. When we add it, we can add 1, 2 triangles. We can add 1 hexagon. So altogether for this particular time frame, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 triangles. Wow, big number there. 6 triangles. So I'll put the number 6 for the triangles. Make it a little bigger. 6 triangles. Then we have, let's count our trapezoids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trapezoids. Whoa, okay. 6 trapezoids. How many rhombuses do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rhombuses. Put the 5 there by the rhombuses. And let's count our hexagons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 hexagons. Great job, All-Stars. Fantastic. I want to go into a special activity. I love this, and I think you love it too, where we get to write math equations based on stories that we hear with our math stories. So here's our next math story. I want you to focus on this. There are 10 walnuts and acorns in the bowl. 10 walnuts and acorns. Well, I'm going to do things a little bit differently today. We're trying to make the number 10. I'm going to put out 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks. 4 plus what equals 10? And I want you to think about it this way. 4 plus something equals 10. Or you could say, you have 10. You're trying to get to the number 10, and you already have 4. How many more do you need to get to that number 10? Here's what I'm going to do. If we already have 4, let's see if we can figure out what that number would be. We have 4. We'll add on 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many blocks did we add on? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my goodness, that's right. We just learned that 4 plus 6 equals 10. Or you could say, I'm trying to get to the number 10. I have 4 already. That means I need to add 6 more. Amazing job, All-Stars. Amazing. Can you make any other math facts that equal the number 10? What 2 numbers can you add together that would make the number 10? Off you go. Have a great day.